IT downtime doesn't just slow you down, it's expensive. On average, businesses lose $5,600 per minute during an outage. That's a serious hit to productivity and profits. And yet, many companies still don't have a structured way to handle tech issues. Here's what most don't realize. Not all IT problems need the same level of support. That's where IT support tiers come in. Tier 1 is your frontline support, handling everyday issues like password resets or browser glitches. It's fast, foundational, and frees up your expert team from getting stuck on routine tasks. When the problem's too complex for Tier 1, it escalates to Tier 2. These are the deeper troubleshooters. They dig into logs, adjust settings, and solve persistent software or network issues that require more technical knowledge. Then there's Tier 3. This is where seasoned IT strategists step in. They handle major server errors, optimize infrastructure, they do long-term, fixing root problems, not just symptoms. And finally, Tier 4 brings in external experts, software vendors and hardware manufacturers, when you need help beyond the scope of your internal team. As Sebastian Abenanti, president of the Isidore Group, puts it, the difference between struggling to stay afloat and steering your business confidently is often a matter of structured support. The more clearly you define and manage these tiers, the faster your issues get solved, the less downtime you suffer, and the more your business thrives. Want to see how each tier works and which one you need for specific challenges? Read the full article on our website now. And don't forget to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist so you never miss a new drop.